Google Ads help. Where to find the best support fast. Are you struggling with your Google Ads campaigns and need help quickly? You're not alone. Managing successful ads can be tricky, but finding the right support doesn't have to be. Let's explore the best ways to get the assistance you need when you need it. First, check out the Google Ads Help Center. It's packed with articles and answers to common questions about setting up campaigns, optimizing performance, and solving technical issues. It's a great starting point and can often provide the answers you seek right away. Need more personalized help? Turn to the Google Ads Community Forum. Here, you'll find marketers and experts who can offer insights and share experiences. You can post your questions and get advice directly from people who've been in your shoes. For direct support from Google, consider contacting them via their support channels. Options include chat, email, and phone support, depending on your account level. Premium accounts may have access to account managers, providing tailored advice and hands-on help. Don't overlook online social media groups and forums outside Google. Platforms like Reddit and LinkedIn have active communities where members discuss strategies and troubleshoot issues. Always ensure you're learning and adapting your strategies. Keep track of updates in Google's policies and features to stay ahead of the curve. Learning resources like YouTube tutorials, webinars, and blogs can also be invaluable. Remember, getting the best support means knowing where to look and reaching out. With these resources, you'll be better equipped to handle your Google Ads challenges and improve your campaign results. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on digital marketing. Thanks for watching.